Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Sendez D. Haiti. Welcome to the Hertz Catalog Academy. Today we'll be focusing on chorus. And let's get right into it. So, the audio that we'll be using is this.
Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. So don't sue me for
So,
using
the
the
thing with
song.
chorus is that
Ooh,
it's one of those
yeah.
plugins that adds a
Oh,
little bit more
yeah.
movement to the audio.
Ooh, yeah.
So, yeah, that's one of the reasons why I personally love enjoying using this plugin. So, first off, let's start off by sending it to the mixer rack, selecting the chorus plugin. Of course, uh, chorus might be different for whatever software you're using. I'm using the FL Studio Fruity Loops.
Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier.
So this is how the chorus plugin typically sounds without calibrating any of the parameters.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
But one of the things that we'll be focusing on here is incorporating this plugin with automation.
Ooh, child, things are
But
gonna
before
get
we can do that,
easier.
we
So don't
should
sue me for using the
calibrate the parameters of this
song.
plugin. So with any
Ooh,
plugin I
yeah.
start with, I always
Oh,
start with
yeah.
uh, playing with the
Ooh,
settings
yeah.
just to see how it sounds, if it
Ooh,
sounds
child,
good to my
things are
ears.
gonna get
So this is what we're doing
easier.
here.
So don't sue me for using the song.
Add a little bit of
Ooh, yeah. Oh,
cross
yeah.
type to it.
Ooh,
Add a little bit
yeah.
of wetness just to see
Ooh,
um, how it would sound.
so don't sue me
But
for
again,
using
a
the
lot of the parameters you would just
song.
have to see how it fits
Ooh,
into your
yeah.
work,
Oh,
into your project to see
yeah.
if it would
Ooh,
be the
yeah.
best option for you. Not all of the options I'm using
Ooh,
may
child,
correlate with
things are
what
gonna
you're
get
trying to
easier.
accomplish.
So don't
So
sue me for using the
definitely it takes
song.
a little bit of practice
Ooh,
on your own
yeah.
time to see
Oh, yeah.
what really works for you.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh, child, things are gonna get easier. So don't sue me for using the song. Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
Add a little bit of delay.
Ooh,
And from
child,
there,
things are gonna get
we can
easier.
add some
So
automation.
don't sue me for using the song. Ooh, yeah.
And with the automation,
Oh,
like I've stated in the previous
yeah.
videos, you're able to
Ooh,
control
yeah.
when and where this plugin or
Ooh,
this effect,
child,
this chorus
things
effect
are
takes
gonna
place.
get
So I
easier.
want it
Don't
to
sue
initiate
me for
at the
using the
end of this audio
song.
file.
Ooh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ooh, yeah.
And
Ooh, child,
that's
things are
typically
gonna
the
get
general basis
easier.
of
So don't
what
sue
chorus is
me
and
for
how
using the
to use it. That's
song.
use that's the
Ooh,
general
yeah.
basis of how to
Oh,
use chorus. From there, of
yeah.
course, incorporate it into
Ooh,
your own
yeah.
techniques, incorporate it into your own projects,
Ooh,
and
child, things are
see how
gonna
it
get
really fits with
easier.
what you're trying
So
to
don't sue
what you're
me for
trying to
using the
make. Of
song.
course, leave your comments
Ooh,
and
yeah.
sections down in a
Oh,
comment section below.
yeah.
of how you were able to use this technique within your body of work, within your projects. And of course, leave a like,
Don't sue me.
share this video,
Ooh, yeah.
subscribe, of course,
Ooh, yeah.
and feel free to follow us on our social medias. We'll be looking forward to communicating with you all on those social platforms as well. And as I've stated before, I'm Sendez D. Haiti. This is the Hertz Catalog Academy, and we'll be looking forward to speaking with you all next video. All right. Have a good one, everyone. Bye.